Hi, and thanks for joining today for this video. I'm John Naylor, VP of Streaming at PESA, and I'm here today in lovely Huntsville, Alabama, to talk about one of our new products. It's the PESA Extreme R3232, which is a 32 by 32 matrix router. I'm going to talk about some exciting integrations that we've got with 3Play. This is like a first in the world. Software released just 2 weeks ago by NewTek actually enables 3Play to control an R3232. And also Tricaster. This one's a Tricaster 460. With the new advanced edition of Tricaster software, pretty much any Tricaster, I think except the Mini, can control our router. We've also got a CP832, which is an optional control panel for the R3232. But now let's have a look at some of the features of the R3232 in a bit more detail. The PESA Extreme R3232 is a matrix router. It handles serial digital video formats all the way up to 1080p 60. There are 32 inputs and 32 outputs which can be synced to a house reference. Control is via Ethernet. PESA has been making enterprise class routers for over 40 years. All that know-how is evident in the 3232's jitter, EQ and insertion loss specs. The Extreme CP832 is an optional control panel for the R3232. It provides cross-point status and traditional control. First we'll take a look at the Tricaster GUI and how easy it is to control the 3232 from within Tricaster's user interface. So this is a Tricaster interface. This is a 460. It has 4 inputs, and by right-clicking on either the program or the preview buttons, it brings up the 32 inputs of the R3232. And I've applied labels to these so that you can see Tricaster's output number 1 is available on input 1, Tricaster's output 2 is available on input 2, and they've all got meaningful names that I set up using the free software that comes with the Extreme. It's called CPS for a soft control panel. That is the tool you use to upgrade software and set cross-point names like this. And finally, let's take a look at 3Play's user interface and how it can control the R3232. The interfacing is the same idea on 3Play, and by the way, I think this is a world first because this functionality is only in the latest release of 3Play, which is accessible from NewTek's website. In this case, instead of right-clicking on a button, you right-click on the input window here and select the router drop-down, and there you see all the different inputs of the router that are selectable from this into this window. So I can actually swap the video that goes into that window right there. Well, thanks again for watching this video and learning a little bit more about the PESA Extreme R3232. For more information, please visit our website, allthews.pesa.com, where you can download brochures and find out other resources. I'm John Naylor. Thanks very much.